The Clarke Tiger 2500 petrol-driven pressure washer is a powerful, portable, high-pressure power washer that's ideal for cleaning vehicles and other equipment in remote locations when mains electrical supply is not available. The Tiger 2500's powerful 4-horsepower petrol engine creates a huge 170 bar or 2,465 psi of pressure for fast and effective cleaning and has a flow rate of 7 litres per minute. A generous length of detergent pickup hose comes as standard to help with those really mucky jobs. The Tiger 2500 is built into a tough, protective carry frame with wheels for easy mobility and includes a lance assembly with fan and pencil jet nozzle, plus a 5-meter hose. If you need serious cleaning power in remote locations, you need the Clarke Tiger 2500.